Welcome back to V-Class TV. This time we are going to process the authentication of our PRC rating. First, we are going to sign into our PRC account. Then, we scroll down and hit transaction button. Wait for it to load the next page. Click Proceed. Click the examination button. Then, Certification. Click Certificate and proceed to authentication. Choose your profession, then proceed. Now, if you forgot your application number, just click this link to proceed. Select your exam date and you're good to go. Enter how many copies you want to produce. Click Proceed to set your appointment. Don't forget to choose which branch you are going to. Click Accept and confirm Yes. Review the details, and if you think it's good already, then you click Proceed. Scroll down to continue with the payment process. Once again, I choose GCash. Remember that there is a service charge of about 8 pesos. Just follow the prompts so you could finish your payment transaction. Once payment is successful, you will be redirected to the PRC website where you can print the details of your transaction. Before going to the PRC office, bring your photocopied PRC rating too. Show this along with your payment details to the guard so the guard will give you the priority number and complete the process. The last thing you are going to do is to put a documentary stamp on your authenticated PRC rating. And yes, a mission accomplished.